Hello, everyone. My name is Manja, and I'm here with Ella, and she is here on in Murska Sobota on an Erasmus project exchange. So I will give her a word to tell us more about it.
Hello, my name is Ella. I'm from France, and I'm here for a volunteering doing like 6 months here.
Could you tell us more about what your project is about?
Yeah, of course. Like the project here, it's like basically learn some stuff about like the videos, the photo. We work like with the children during like July and August in the playful park in the here. And yes, we post on the social media, on Instagram, on Facebook, and yeah.
So basically, you're participating in events, you're helping projects. Okay. And did you study something like this back at home?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, just I finishing my history degree in France on the last June.
Yes.
So yes, and now I have like some project. I have some future exam on in France on January to June for the journalism school.
Okay.
So yeah.
So it kind of aligns with what you're doing here.
Of course. So this is really nice.
So you mentioned you're here for 6 months.
Yeah.
And you came at the beginning of summer.
Yeah.
Did you come?
Yeah.
Yes. And did you come with a plane or with a bus, or how did you come here?
With my car.
With your car? That's cool. Did you drove here?
Yeah. During like 10 hours.
10 hours.
Yeah.
And you came by yourself?
Yeah. And I split my project. Like I slept like one night in Verona in Italy.
Mm-hmm. So it was basically like a little trip for you.
Yes. Yeah. But it was really cool.
And did you explore Slovenia now that you came here with a car?
Yeah, of course. So I went like maybe 4 times in Ljubljana. And I go for some hiking in Austria, in Velika Planina.
Yes.
In Kranjska Gora. Yes. In Maribor. So in different. Yeah. So this is really nice.
Yeah, it's basically all really accessible. Yeah, because you're with the car here.
And it's really small here, so you can like just drive 2 or 3 hours. You can go to the seaside. There's a mountain, and this is really
it's a really cool experience that you get to travel around a little bit. So tell me more about how when you arrived in Murska Sobota, what were your first feelings?
It's really similar to my place in France.
Yes,
yes, because my parents live in the small village.
Yeah,
so it's like the same atmosphere, like the same type of people, like something like this. So yeah, it's really nice, and it's not so different from.
Yes. Okay.
So yeah.
Did you get a chance to try any of the foods? Are you feeling like they're very different from where you're from?
For the food, like, it's different, of course, but it's not so different because you have like some same stuff on the supermarket. So
yes,
it's different in the restaurant or something like this, but in the real life, it's not so different because it's the same.
Okay, so now like your experience maybe going to a restaurant, did you have any challenges with the language maybe? Or just English is fine?
No, just English.
Yeah, but basically, did you, was it like challenging for you when you first arrived here, or was everyone like welcome with English?
No, here like all the people speak English.
Yeah,
they understand some stuff in English. So this is really nice because like in France it's totally different.
Yeah, it doesn't really compare. Yes. I mean, I've also been to France before, and it was a bit more challenging than I think it's here for Ella, because the French people aren't really
bad in English.
Yeah. So, and they don't really want to speak English mostly to you. So I think here then it's more welcoming because we basically learn it, and because we're such a small country, we kind of have to.
You need to know the language.
Yeah.
But like here, like all the like young people speak English, understand English, and so this is really nice. It's really easy to talk with the people. It's really nice.
So, because you came alone here, did you make any friends now that you're here, or like in your interactions with people?
Yeah, because like in MIKK, I mean, it's really easy because you have like all of the young people came for the concert, for some drink, something on the bar. So yeah, it's really easy to meet some people here. And so yeah, it's nice.
Do you spend your day around like in MIKK, or do you go like work on something and then come back, or how does your typical day look like in Murska Sobota, for example?
Like the most of the time I work like during the morning, like for example 10 to 1. And for my future exam I need to work a lot like during the morning, the evening, and some so this is my basic day. And like the most of the time during the Friday and the Saturday we have like some event here, so I need to work during the evening. So the most of the time it's like this.
And like, let's talk more about your Erasmus project now. Like, did you apply for it yourself? How did you find it?
Because I have like two friends. The first one, she went to like Innsbruck for one project like this. And yes, she told me like it was really nice. I spoke with her about like this project, and I said, okay, why not? And that's it. It's not so good.
So basically you just had to apply, and then you did all the documentations, and that was it? Or did you?
No, you need to find like one association in France. And so I spoke with one guy about this, and she sent me like some Instagram of one association. I'll contact this association, and after you need to like prepare your CV on paper. And after you have like one website, I don't remember the name. It's like European Youth something. And after you can like just research like some project like with the, I don't know. You have a lot of
for all. Like, there's multiple.
And yes, after I contact MIKK, and now I'm here. So
that's cool, because I talked with employees here at MIKK, and they also mentioned that they can help you find a project if you like. So I think that's a very cool opportunity, and you just get to explore a country and and easier in the culture basically.
And it's really nice because like it's really easy to find like this type of project. And about the money, it's really nice because it's not so expensive, and this is really cool.
Okay, and what are your plans after this, when this ends? When are you finished with your project here?
So basically, I go back to France like the 19th of November.
Okay.
So after that, I work like in one restaurant.
Okay.
And I need to prepare like my future exam. So this is a lot, though.
Okay, so I wish you all the good luck. And we'll see each other around MIKK, definitely. And thank you so much for watching and listening, everyone. And we'll see you in the next episode. Bye.
Bye.